Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you how to buy the Celsius Network CEL tokens on the OkEx exchange, and thus by doing so you will be paying much lower fees than if you were to buy these CEL tokens on, say, MetaMask. In addition to, once you have purchased the tokens on the OkEx exchange, I will show you how to transfer those tokens over to your Celsius Network wallet and begin earning passive interest income up to around almost 5% on those tokens. Now, I've received complaints in the past about the fees charged to buy CEL on platforms like MetaMask. And I agree that the gas rates are outrageous, especially when you're using a platform like MetaMask. And so, for example, in my MetaMask account, if I wanted to swap my ETH for CEL tokens, I could try to swap 0.1 ETH or almost $200 for Celsius tokens. And of course, you have the option to adjust the slippage. I always adjust it down to 2%. If you're not familiar with slippage, it's basically if the price changes between the time you place your order, then the swap will be canceled. Now I can review the swap, and that's going to show me my fees once it goes out and searches all the different platforms it could swap on, like Uniswap and 1inch. And in this case, the best estimated network fee is going to cost me almost $10. And that does include the 0.875% MetaMask fee, is almost 9 times greater than OkEx actually charges. And if I went ahead and did this swap, I would hold CEL in my MetaMask wallet. But the moment I go to send that CEL to my Celsius wallet, I will be hit again with another fee to transfer. And in reality, I'd be paying around $20 in transaction fees just to buy CEL and then send it to my Celsius wallet. So with that all being said, the OkEx exchange added the CEL tokens to their platform probably about a month, maybe 2 months ago. And you can now buy those tokens through the exchange and then send those tokens to your Celsius wallet and begin earning that interest income. And if you're not familiar with Celsius, I will leave a link in the description down below. And when you use that link to sign up through Celsius, you will actually receive $40 or $50 worth of free Bitcoin, as will I. So I do appreciate it when you use those links. But I do want to stress this is not investment advice. This is purely educational information on how to buy the CEL token for lower fees and then transfer those CEL tokens over to the Celsius wallet, where you have the potential to earn some passive interest income. Now, you need to do your own recon and decide if this would be right for you. And the Celsius website offers a ton of information about how to earn and borrow using the Celsius Network platform. You can find the weekly rates on all the different tokens they offer on stable coins. They are currently paying almost 9% on most of them. And then on actual cryptocurrencies, the rates vary anywhere from 6% on Bitcoin. Celsius is almost 5%. Synthetics is 13%. Maddox is almost 11%, and so you are paid the interest income based on these rates on a weekly basis. And some quick data points on the Celsius Network. They have almost 1 million users. They're at 800,000 users right now. They currently hold $16 billion in assets. And the yield they have paid in the last 12 months is $315 million. Again, you will need to do your own recon to see if you're comfortable with the project. I am providing this information for educational purposes only. Now, you can jump over to CoinGecko as well and see that the Celsius Network CEL token is ranked number 37. So it's definitely not a crap coin. You can see it also recently hit its all-time high of $8, and this could be an excellent opportunity to buy Celsius at a lower price. But in the end, it's up to you to do your own recon. Now, let's jump over to the OkEx exchange. And if you don't have an account with the OkEx exchange, I will also leave a link in the description down below. And this is a platform that I actually do a lot of my day trading on. And that includes a few trades I've posted over in the Telegram group where I went short on Bitcoin, and I've posted the results over in the Telegram group. So under my assets, you can see I currently hold just about 96 CEL tokens that we will send over to my Celsius wallet in a moment. But if you're curious what fees I paid to obtain those CEL tokens, and you can see the fees if you're on your level 1 fees would be 0.08% if you're the maker, and that just basically means you're submitting limit orders, which is what I do. Or if you're taker, you're submitting market orders, you're paying 0.1%. And if you remember over on MetaMask, the fee was 0.875%, so almost 9 times greater than this fee. And in order to buy the Celsius tokens, you can just come up here to the Trade tab, click on Basic Trading, and you can search for the CEL token by typing in CEL. Now you want to be careful, you don't want to get CELO, you want CEL, CEL USDT. Give that a click. And from here, you can actually go ahead and buy the amount of CEL you wanted to buy, just as if you were trading CEL. In this case, you would buy it and then transfer it over to your Celsius wallet. And if you're curious about the fee I paid when I bought those 96 CEL, I paid 0.0768 CEL, which comes to approximately 47 cents. Where over on the MetaMask app, I was looking at around 30 plus tokens and having to pay a $9, almost a $10 fee. And so there is a huge savings in buying through OkEx. And now we're going to send the tokens from OkEx over to my CEL wallet. And so I just jump up here to the Assets tab and I can click Withdraw. And I need to select the currency I want to withdraw, and that's going to be CEL. And the method is going to be on-chain, and it will be a CEL Ethereum token, and I click Continue. And then I need my CEL address. So now I need to sign into my Celsius web wallet, and they also have a mobile version. I use the desktop version. I'm an old school guy, and I prefer the desktop versus a mobile phone. And so I'll need to sign in. And after I sign in, I can come over to the Receive tab, give it a click. And so under Receive Address, I can click on View and Copy Address. And down here, I'll just click Copy, jump back over to OkEx, and paste in my CEL address. I'll name this CEL wallet. And then the amount I want to send, I'll click from my trading account. And I want to send the max amount, which would be all of my CEL. And then the network fee I will end up paying is approximately 1.26 CEL tokens, which comes to just over $7. And so again, over on MetaMask, I would have been hit with around $10 just to buy the CEL tokens. In addition to, I would have been hit with at least another $10 to send those CEL tokens over to my wallet. So even though I'm still paying a $7 fee to send these CEL tokens, I'm still ahead of the game. And then I click Continue. It will verify the address I want to send to, the amount, and the network fee. And then I just need to put in my funds password that I've already created for the OkEx wallet. And I will need to put in a Google Authenticator code. And then I click Confirm. And withdrawal completed. And as you can see, I currently hold 104.8 CEL tokens. And before too long, those 90 plus tokens will arrive in my CEL wallet. And just like that, the additional CEL tokens arrived, and now I have 199.4647 CEL. And so that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to share with you how you could buy CEL tokens at a lower fee via the OkEx exchange versus the MetaMask platform. And then how you can transfer the CEL tokens from OkEx over to your Celsius network wallet and start earning some passive interest income. So if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you are interested in building wealth via cryptocurrencies, whether that be trading or passive interest income, then now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button, as I do try to upload videos on a regular basis. Or if you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop those in the comment section down below. And I will drop a link to both Celsius and OkEx in the description down below. And remember, if you use my Celsius link, you will actually receive free Bitcoin when you sign up and make your first deposit. And so with that all being said, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.